It's January and I live in Pittsburgh, which means, if I'm not fighting the bitter cold, I'm fighting my landlord over the radiator, which only kicks on when it's 40 degrees or less. Since we live in climate hell, that means a sensible 50-degree day leaves me freezing. There's no sun to warm up my apartment and no radiator heat. No one can empathize with my struggle since my fellow radiator havers crack their windows from the disgusting amount of heat their radiators emit. Which is to say, heated blankets have become a saving grace. I'm warm, Amanda happy, and they don't use too much electricity, Amanda's wallet happy. I'm an empath, which means I know you need a heated blanket probably. Here are 5 really great heated blankets to heat up your winter. 1. LL Bean Wicked Cozy Heated Blanket. You know LL Bean is the manufacturer of your childhood backpack and your bean boots, but between its moccasins, shirts and socks, Mr. Leon Wood Bean knows how to make a cozy thing. The company's Wicked Cozy Heated Blanket is no exception, with 5 heat settings, soft Primolush fabric, and a special insulating layer that reflects warmth back to your body. Despite ending its lifetime warranty policy in 2018, you can return products up to 1 year after purchase, with a special exception made for items that are defective due to materials or craftsmanship. While I'm not sure why anyone would need a king-sized heated blanket, we appreciate the absurdity of having heated blanket, sick, to spare. A review reads, but don't fret, it comes in twin and full/queen sizes as well. 2. Warmy Smart Heated Blanket. If you're a person who controls their lighting via phone app, you'll love the Warmy, which can be connected to your phone, Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa to control blanket temperature and heat time for up to 10 hours. Invisuart technology provides warmth without bulk, and despite being technologically advanced, this blanket can be thrown in a non-technologically advanced washer and dryer. If you're looking for something for the couch, consider the Smart Heated Throw, which features the same technology in a 60 by 70 inch velvet plush, and some colors not available in the full-size heated blanket. 3. Sunbeam Heated Blanket. Between the price point, the soft and cozy fleece and consistent heating, it's no surprise that this blanket currently clocks in at 4.4 stars with more than 32,000 reviews on Amazon. It's machine washable and dryer safe, meaning you won't have to jump through hoops to get it clean. Thermofine technology senses the blanket temperature and adjusts to provide consistent warmth, with 5 heat settings to choose from. A 3-hour auto shutoff provides peace of mind. Some reviews say it gives out after a year, so it might be I'll buy a heated blanket, see if I like it, and then splurge if I can't live without one purchase. 4. Brookstone NAP Heated Plush Throw. With a 4-hour auto shut-off, this throw is perfect for setting an alarm for 20 minutes, and then waking up 3 hours later with lines and dents all over your body, feeling like you returned from another dimension, the telltale sign of a good, dope nap. A 9-foot power cord means you can lug it all over the house and nap anywhere without accidentally ripping the plug out while flopping like a fish. 5. Cozy Heated Blanket. Are you an outdoor dude who likes being outdoors in tents, a dad who frequents many a soccer or football game, or an avid #van lifer? Congrats, this battery-powered blanket is for you. This blanket warms up in just 5 minutes, gives more than 5 hours of continuous heat, has 2 USB ports for charging devices, and includes a wall and car charger. The company has an excellent origin story as well. The founders created the blanket to allow their daughter, who has poor circulation due to cerebral palsy and gets cold easily, enjoy outings, for favorite activity.